So Neely, I have this new blog, Alex Eats, up and running, but down the line, I want to make money off this. I want to sell, a digital ebook. How do I do that?
Yeah, that's actually what we're gonna cover today. How to actually make money with your website by creating a landing page here on the journey.
So right now, all I have is a blog. What else do I need?
Yeah, so to really actually convert those visitors into leads, which then becomes customers, you have to create a landing page. A landing page is a specific web page on your site catered to one specific purpose. Now, what I see a lot of people do is, like, say you're starting to advertise your book. Most people just send people to their home page. There's so much chaos going on a home page. There's no clear direction. They don't know where to go. So with your landing page, you have one clear focus on your website, and that's to check out your ebook.
So you're the real expert at this. Can you just show me how it's done?
Yeah, let's go ahead and take you and the audience through a quick demo. All right, so now that we sat down, I'll take you through some of the plugins that I use to really build those landing pages and get set up for success. I did that beforehand, so we have to go through the whole installation process, but I'm gonna be using Elementor, essential add-ons for Elementor, and Gravity Forms. The other ones are just there because I like them. So once you have those, you're gonna go ahead and just add a new page, because you want this landing page to just be that, just a landing page specific to what you're trying to do. So you talked about how you're wanting to create your own ebook, right?
Right.
So what kind of recipes are going to be in those ebooks?
I was thinking like taco recipes to start out with.
A little Taco
Love
Tuesday night?
tacos, of course.
I got it. So we'll just name it Taco Tuesday Recipes. And then we're just going to go ahead and publish that really quick and then jump into Elementor. So Elementor is a visual page builder that you can use to build almost any type of website. So drag and drop, it's all visual. So we have this here. Now, what I usually recommend for landing pages is actually to get rid of the navigation title. It's distracting.
Okay.
The whole point of the landing page is to have one singular focus. Like, you want these people visiting your website, visiting your landing page, do one specific thing.
Right, as simple as possible.
Yeah, so in Elementor, the bottom left, go ahead and just choose that little settings wheel, and then go page layout, Elementor canvas. And it's literally just gonna be that, a blank canvas for you to do whatever you want. So you've also got at me some cool taco images. We're gonna use a lot of that in this page here. So the cool thing about Elementor, especially for someone brand new to building websites, is it gives you some templates to use, so you don't have to figure out how to design yourself.
Love templates.
Highly recommend it. You don't want to spend all day just trying to figure out how to design it. Just basically plug and play. I really like the block section. It's kind of like Legos in a way, right?
Okay.
So you have you can pick different categories, like a hero image or a call to action, different things like that, and basically build your landing page. So we're gonna go category and just choose hero. Hero is basically that first thing you see when you get to a website. It's usually nice and big and out there. There's lots of different things you can use. Now, it's going to show you content that is not relevant to tacos at all, and that's fine. You can change it with your own images.
Okay.
So which one would you like to use?
I like this realism one.
The realism one? That one says pro. I got to have the pro license.
Never mind. Let's
Not
go with
one.
the cheaper option.
All right. How about this one?
Perfect.
Cool.
Looks nice and free.
We'll make it like that one. It'll be like we did. All right, so obviously we don't want 17 travel inventions we need right now. We're gonna change that in a sec, but instead of a plant, let's make it your tacos, because that is the pride and joy here. You wanna make it all about your tacos.
Yeah.
Because I've had them and they're fantastic. All right, cool. So you can either click this little guy at the top or right click, edit section, go to style, and then you can choose your image here.
We've got some great images of these tacos and the recipes.
Yeah, so which one would you like to use?
Let's go with the one with the lime showing.
All right, I dig it, I dig it. Oh man, it looks so good.
I know, I'm so hungry now.
So a cool effect you can do in Elementor is just have that fixed. I really like to use that, especially with hero images. So that stays still as the content loads. I probably want this bottom center. Look at that.
Perfect.
Man, I'm hungry. All right, so the call to action, this on the hero image has to be very, very specific. So that first little bit is really what you're gonna get out of the landing page. So let's brainstorm some ideas. So with this, you really want it to be, what is your visitor, what is that person going to get out of your recipe book?
So, I mean, taco recipes to make your Tuesday better.
Okay. Taco recipes to make your Tuesday better. I like it. I don't need this travel thing, so I'm just going to right click and delete there. Now you can add a little bit of description here if you want. I typically recommend it. We're going to leave the description out of it for now. We don't want to get too much in the weeds. Really, it's about you learning how to make your landing page.
Right.
But this button right here, this call to action, is super important. Not enough websites basically tell the visitor exactly what to do. Like, you really want to like yell it at them, do this now.
Right, make it very clear.
So with this, it'd be like buy now or download the book, things like that. Specific action to do. Download the book, if I can type, now. Cool. And you can modify the button however you want by going to just right click the button, go to style, and then you can mess with the colors. What's your favorite color?
Let's go with green.
Green? All right. Green is
For
the
money.
color of money. I dig it. All right. And then you can mess with the hover. Obviously, you don't want green on green. That doesn't make sense. And then there's all sorts of cool hover animations. So let's do grow and rotate. So it does this cool little effect.
Ooh.
Just
Fancy.
like that. And let's move on. All right, so I threw this together really quick off camera just for the sake of time. Let me talk you through some of the most important elements for your landing page. We went through our hero image already, having that basically description of what they're gonna get out of it, a quick call to action. But the next part that I like to include in landing pages is really relating to the person's problem.
Right.
So I put here, are you struggling to find the perfect taco recipe? These people have scoured the internet trying to find that perfect taco recipe. They haven't found it until now.
I have the answer.
And then after you really relate to that person's struggle, talk about what they're going to get out of it. Like, right? Like, they're not just getting a book. They're getting 15 taco recipes. They're getting video tutorials. They're getting a happier Tuesday. You're also including coupons for ingredients. Look at you. You're so nice.
I know. You're welcome, guys.
And then with the landing page as well, add some type of social proof. These are reviews, whether they're on websites or people looking at it. I've added some reviews for myself, Morgan and Sam, talking about the best tacos I've ever had. Morgan's like, I want more recipes like this. Sam's like, hands down, super hot fire recipes.
Straight from
all
the source,
about
guys.
it, straight from the source. And then last but not least, your main call to action towards the bottom. Now, with you just getting started, we just have a subscribe now to get your copy and a quick subscribe. For you at home, if you're trying to sell something, this is a great portion to put where basically you're selling something.
Okay.
And what's cool about this is with Elementor, you can add what's called an anchor link. So this download the book now, say we'll do CTA for the link, can link to this. So when someone clicks it, like, cool, download the book now, they just go all the way down and they can subscribe now to get the copy.
Nice and easy.
But with these landing pages, it can be literally anywhere you're directing people, whether it's on social media, you have basically a post talking about this cool stuff. Instead of sending them to the website of your homepage where it's super distracting, send them to a landing page. Same thing with Instagram or maybe Google ads or Facebook ads, or maybe just talking to somebody. You have a clear direction of where to send them. When they go there, they're like, cool, I only have one thing that I can do on this site, and it's to get your taco recipe.
Got to make it as easy as possible for your customers.
We get distracted. I mean, I know I do all the time.
Yeah, you got about 2 seconds.
If that.
Let us know in the comments below what your favorite part of my new landing page was.
Yeah, and I hope this gets you super excited to start making your own landing pages. Like I said, I used Elementor, but you can use whatever page builder you want to use. But while you're adding those comments, if you got some value out of this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get this content first. This is The Journey. We'll see you next time.